I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox face move. First, you will need to ensure your avatar is equipped with a dynamic head. These special heads allow for real-time facial expressions, bringing a new level of immersion to your avatar. You can find and equip these heads in the Avatar Customization section. Once equipped, your avatar will be ready to express a wide range of emotions, making interactions much more engaging and lifelike. Next, let's activate the facial animation feature. Head over to your Roblox privacy settings and look for the option to animate face with voice. Toggling this on allows the platform to use your microphone input to drive your avatar's expressions. Make sure your microphone is set up correctly and that you have granted Roblox the necessary permissions. This connection between your voice and your avatar's face creates a truly interactive experience. Beyond voice-driven animation, you can also use emotes to make your face move. Roblox offers a variety of built-in emotes that are designed to work seamlessly with dynamic heads, showcasing a range of expressions. Furthermore, many individual experiences provide their own unique emotes, adding even more ways to express yourself. Don't hesitate to experiment with these to discover all the fun and expressive possibilities available to your avatar. If you encounter any issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, always ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this is crucial for real-time features. Also, make sure your Roblox application is fully updated to the newest version, as updates often include improvements. Double-check your device's microphone settings and confirm Roblox has permission to use it. If all else fails, a quick restart of the application can often resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.